Welcome to MBBS Council. Do you know Arunachal Pradesh completed 2 rounds of counselling for MBBS BDS admissions? Many are asking why NEET state counselling is not getting started for other states like it happened in Arunachal Pradesh. In this video, I am going to talk about why NEET state quota counselling is not going to start before All India quota counselling. If you are new to this channel and looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to this channel now and click the bell icon to get regular updates. Install MBBSCouncil Android App if you have not installed. It contains everything you need to know to effectively participate in admission counselling and pick the best medical college for your NEET rank. Before knowing why state counselling authorities will not conduct counselling before All India quota counselling is completed, we need to know how counselling is conducted and why multiple rounds of counselling is conducted. In general, there are 3 rounds of counselling, and depending on the type of the medical college and quota, the number of rounds vary. For AIIMS, JIPMER, Aligarh Muslim University, Banaras Hindu University and ESI, 3 rounds of counselling is conducted by MCC. For All India quota, MCC conducts only 2 rounds of counselling, and after that, unfilled seats are sent to respective state where the college is located. These unfilled All India quota seats will be converted to state quota seats and will be allotted through state counselling. The number of rounds of counselling conducted by state varies from state to state. Most of the states conduct 3 rounds of counselling, and few states like Andhra Pradesh conducts up to 5 rounds of counselling. Many students participate in both All India counselling and state counselling to pick the best medical college for their NEET rank. They pick the one which they like from one of the counselling and vacate the seat allotted in another counselling. Consider a student from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh, and secured rank 4000. He or she got AIIMS Bibinagar through All India quota counselling and Andhra Pradesh Medical College through Andhra Pradesh State Counselling. Then candidate will resign seat in AIIMS Bibinagar and pick Andhra Medical College. These vacant seats are filled by further rounds of counselling. In order to reduce movement of students between different counselling, the counselling schedule followed by MCC and state are as follows. First, All India Counselling Round 1 is conducted by MCC. Only after that, State Counselling Round 1 is conducted by all states. All India quota's second round counselling will not wait until all states complete their first round counselling. This is because each state follows different admission process for counselling. In the past 3 years, what we have observed is that nearly 70% of the states will not be able to complete their first round counselling before round 2 of All India counselling starts. First round counselling was conducted for 17 days last year. The gap between first round All India quota counselling and second round All India quota counselling was just 1 week. Within 23 days, it is difficult for many states to complete first round allotment for state quota. Because of this, after second round All India counselling, unfilled seats are converted to state quota seats and sent to respective state for further counselling. Last year, total All India quota seats were 5,527. Out of this, during round 1, only 1,223 seats were filled. Rest of the students did not join the allotted college. During round 2, again only 2,734 seats were filled. In spite of losing security deposit amount, students decided to exit from All India quota counselling because they are sure that they will get better college through their state quota counselling. So after the second round All India quota counselling, 1,570 MBBS seats were sent to respective states for further counselling. If states conduct counselling first, then there is no way these seats could be filled. This also gives opportunity for meritorious students from high competitive states such as Rajasthan, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Haryana to pick more All India quota seats, as state quota cutoff for these states are higher than All India quota cutoff. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. Install MBBSCouncil Android App to get personalized counseling guidance. If you have any doubts, comment below. See you in the next video.